Hello, Earth Signs! Welcome to po sa inyong bonus reading. So this will be your quick guide dito po sa Mercury and Taurus. Ayan. Ito po yung season no, ng Mercury and Taurus season. So since this will be quick guide, madami tayong mga stages na ating tatalakayin. So again, this is bonus also in general. So take what's only yours, no? Sa romance po, ating i-discuss very quickly ang mga singles, ang mga mayroong mutual understanding or nasa mutual relationship, ang mga nasa relationship na which is hindi pa naman kasal, couples which is mga kasal na or may pamilya na, and for those who are in separation. We will be also discussing yung jobs and finances doon po sa mga naghahanap po ng trabaho, looking for promotion and looking for an increase. There is also a bonus message here when it comes to general, your lucky number, and your lucky color. So for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the that notification bell. At kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yun, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audiences. At sa live session po, you're very much welcome. Pero kung wala kayong time, no, dito po sa comment section, dito po sa YouTube, pwede po kayong magtanong as long as yung question is answerable by yes or no. Opo. So, this is again a general reading. Take what's only yours. So, simulan na natin. Singles ng Earth's sign. The Moon card, the Six of Pentacles, and the Justice. So, medyo hindi natin alam kung kanino tayo either kung kanino natin ibibigay ang puso natin, no? Siguro madami tayong crushes or madaming nagkaka-crush sa atin, no? Syempre meron tayong favorite, no? Pero kahit ganun pa man, parang natatakot kang sumugal kasi parang kung sino sa kanino ko magfo-focus, ayan, nauutal, no? With the Seven of Swords, the Knight of Wands, and the Seven of Pentacles. Siguro meron din ditong partly no konsensya kasi feeling mo na I'm betraying someone, no, kasi nga multiple ang ating choices, ganda, no, o gwapo. Yan. Pero gusto nating mag-move pero ayaw din natin magkamali. Since madaming choices, syempre you want the best for you, no? Nag-aantay-antay tayo with the Ace of Wands and the Three of Swords. Either doon po sa mga nag-aantay na ibigay ang kanilang sarili, you're on the right path. Kasi doon po sa mga binigay, yung sarili nila, I think na medyo kumbaga, binigay yung sarili, which means may nangyari, okay? With the Three of Swords, medyo parang na-disappoint sila. I don't know, I don't wanna dig in kung bakit na-disappoint, no? Probably it's the size, it's the performance, or baka mali naman yung taong binigyan nila, no? Kasi may dumating na option. I don't wanna dig into this kasi baka maban tayo, no? So this is for those who are in single. So how about doon po sa may mga mutual relationships. So, tignan natin. When it comes to those people na merong mutual relationship. So, let's check. So, walang label to, no? Knight of Swords. Or Knight of Cups, Eight of Swords, and the Five of Swords. So, either isa sa inyo or parehas kayo, no? Na parang check ng each other's account. So parang meron ng, hindi pa man sila, meron ng konting obsession. May selos na nagaganap, no? With the Judgment, the Page of Pentacles, and the Devil card. So medyo intense itong Devil card on top of the Seven of Swords kasi since this is in a mutual understanding, it felt like someone already is in love or deeply in love with the other person kahit wala pang commitment. Three of Swords and the Two of Wands. I feel like madaling magselos kung sino ito. I feel like merong obsessions din, no? Dito sa mutual relationship. This could be you, this could be the other person. So, medyo nasa ibang pace na yung isa. Then yung isa parang, okay, we're just mutual relationship. No, parang I'm just riding on. So, ito po ang nangyayari sa may mutual relationship, no? Earth signs. So, how about doon sa meron ng relationship? So, let's check here doon sa meron ng relationship. So, which means, ano na to, couple na, no? I mean, in relationship, pero hindi pa kinakasal. Ayan. So, Page of Swords, which in reverse, that makes sense kasi wala pang ang agreement, no? Or signing of a contract. But I feel like gustong-gusto na nitong magpakasal or magkaroon ng pinanghahawakan, no? For a few numbers of you probably na meron nandun kayo sa live-in stage, no? Kasi parang ang gusto niyo dito, kailan ba? Pero hindi pa binibigay itong kasal, no? With the Knight of Wands, the Seven of Swords, and the Queen of Pentacles. Parang feeling ko dito, those who are in a relationship, nabigay mo na lahat, no? Nag-i-invest ka na rin. Kaso ang feeling mo, ano bang meron? Kasal ba siya sa iba? No, nagtatanong ka with the Seven of Swords, gusto niya ba ako? No? So madami kang agam-agam, but you are still in this sort of parang you going with the flow. Pero kung tatanungin ka, gusto mo nang mapunta ito into another level of commitment, no? So let's check about doon sa mga couples, no? About the couple. So which means meron ng kasal or meron ng pamilya. So let's check here for couples. Couples. Earth sign, the Two of Pentacles, the Emperor, and the Ace of Wands. So nakikita ko lumalamlam ang sex life, no? What I'm trying to say here is parang hindi na ganun ka-affectionate, ka-passionate, no? I think meron na ditong parang naging ice of yung heart nila, no? Parang nagyelo. What I'm trying to say is, I just mentioned, nagyelo. Parang naging frigid, parang lumamla, parang nawala yung tamis, nawala yung passion, nawala yung sabihin nating init, kumbaga. I feel like probably buntis yung isa, no? Or nakabuntis. That's the thing. With the Fool card in here, I don't think na hindi sila magiging ganyan kung wala naman pong reason. This Fool card is kind of like new also. So, bago-bago lang to. So, nakakita po ako ng medyo sabihin natin third party, no, na gumugulo sa inyong relasyon. So, how about dito po sa mga in separation? So, which means meron na hiwalayan, whether it is physical or energetic, no? So, for those who are in separation, the Queen of Cups, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Chariot. So I feel like umalis na yung isa. For a few numbers of you, this might also be part of the LGBTQIA plus community relationship. Yung isa hinahanap, yung isa truly move on na. Wow, to a point wherein pumunta ng probinsya. So there's really a physical separation in here, whether the other person is from a different city, state, county, or went to a different city, state, county, country, different barangay, no? Meron na talagang ganon. With the King of Pentacles, the Strength card, and the Six of Swords. I think na yung sa iba sa inyo, meron kayong negosyo ba, no? Na pinagsasaluhan, or merong isa ditong energy na nagbi-bridge sa inyo. And I think that this is going to be casual and this is going to be maayos naman pero not the same as before, no? For the sake of probably the child, I feel like you're better off without the person, no? Yun po ang meron sa separation. So let's talk about yung job and finances. So, are we looking forward dun po, no, sa mga looking forward sa job? Matatanggap po ba kayo sa trabaho? With the Eight of Swords, the Two of Pentacles, and the Three of Wands. So nakakakita ko dito with this season, medyo hindi po maganda ang lagay ko kayo yung naghahanap ng trabaho. I'm seeing stagnation. And I also feel like meron tayong part kung bakit hindi tayo nakukuha kasi parang minamaliit natin palagi ang ating sarili. Meron tayong nadadaanan pero sasabihin natin sa sarili natin, ay hindi naman ako para dyan or ayoko yan. Yun, meron talagang total rejection. No? Or meron sinasabi, ay naku, magagaling lang yun dyan or magaganda lang kinukuha dyan. Or sabihin natin, yung kumbaga, mas tinitignan mo yung wala ka kesa kung ano yung may iaambag mo. So this is for those who are looking for job. How about doon sa mga looking for promotion? No? The Four of Swords, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Three of Pentacles. I feel like this season, hindi pa din, pero malapit siya. Wala mang promotion, pero ang nakikita ko naman, nag-jump ka na agad din sa increase. Kunin na natin ang cards for increase. And ang maganda naman, doon sa increase, parang nag-shift ito, no? Okay, simulan natin sa promotion. It may not be this season, pero malapit na katulad ng sinabi ko with the Star. In here, there's an elevation. With the Justice card, I feel like if not next month, with the Page of Pentacles, you're meant to be promoted, okay? But not on this season. With regard to for an increase, meron ng increase, no? It may not be that much, pero itong season na to, this is the gateway para ma-achieve mo yung increase, no? So congratulations. May maganda balita pa rin naman when it comes to finances. So how about general? So earth signs. In general, no, the Queen of Wands, the Queen of Swords, and the Two of Cups. So what I am seeing in here, medyo maghinay-hinay po tayo when it comes to trusting a person. No, dapat nating panatilihin ang maging mabusisi, no, sa mga or magtanong. The Magicians, the Hermit card, and the Five of Cups, kasi nakikita ko po dito na parang sa sobrang tiwala, no, parang madi-disappoint tayo. Hope hindi naman tayo maloko, pero may disappointment dito. Always be on the Hermit side. Okay lang magtanong as long as, no, yung pagtatanong naman, hindi naman yung pangungulit ng sobra-sobra. Yung relevant naman yung tanong, no? Yung tungkol doon sa pinag-uusapan ninyo. Kasi meron ka ditong gustong ma-achieve dahil gusto mo lang papasok ka bigla, no? Huwag po ganon. So tingnan natin, baka may contract, no? Basahin natin maigi, baka meron doon mga maliliit na mga kung ano-anong nakalagay, hindi natin nakikita, pinirmahan natin. So ayan po ang inyong general, no, earth signs. So ang iyong lucky number is 22 and ang lucky color is moss green. So yan po. For those of you who's new to the channel, please do click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, Babaylan TV, no? At nagla-live din po ako doon, so you're very much welcome mag-join. So, kung meron kayong mga tanong dito po sa comment section, love and light, namaste, and see you on the next live or next reading. Goodbye. You want the best of my heart, you just got